Hi everyone, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today I'm excited to do a very short tutorial with the Jeffree Star palette here. This is the Bloodlust palette and it came out a while ago, but I haven't really played with it too much, so I'm excited to do a look and show you what I've got. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned. So I've already done my primer and foundation. I used the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation in the shade Ivory. And I have also already done my brows with my Winky Lux Universal Brow Shade. On to the eyes. So if you haven't seen this palette, Jeffree Star did an amazing job. The color story here is phenomenal. The purples, the pinks, the shimmers, the quality is outstanding. So there's a few favorite shades, and one, I've only played with this twice actually, but one that I'm really loving that I'm definitely going to use today is Royal Plan here. It is the rosiest, most beautiful transition shade. So that's the one we're going to go in with first. Take this off. Woo! Wanted to do that for the video. Saved it. So I'm going to bring you in just a little bit because this is all about the eyes today. Okay. Going into Royal Pain here in the crease. I am going to take a little bit and just go under the eye as well. I just find that is the most gorgeous rosy shade. So I think it's super flattering. It's easy to diffuse all over the eye. I love it. Next, I'm going to go in a shade High King here, which is a little bit more of like a dusty mauve color. And I'm going to kind of put that in the corner of the crease and blend those colors together. Just deepening the outside third of the eye here. It's definitely feeling like summer. We are hitting some highs. I know I've been sharing it was a blazing 91 the other day. I mean, I think I saw like 95. Done some pool days. I'm pretty pumped about it. So it is feeling like Florida. And so far, I really like it. I want to take a little bit of shade Bleeding Heart here, this red kind of orangey shade, and then I'm going to take Wet Jewel, which is a special formula to go on top of it. So I am just going to use my fingers for this. So I'm going to go into shade Bleeding Heart. Whew, that is pigmented. All right. Wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. I mean, wow. The thing I like about Bleeding Heart is it isn't so much of a wet formula. So it does have more of a powdery finish. So sometimes I like that on the lid, and then you can go on top of it with a topper like Wet Jewel. So I'm really loving this palette. I'm gonna take my blending brush and just go back in with High King and Royal Pain and make sure those shades are blended together in the crease. And a little bit with Bleeding Heart here in the corner. I feel like Bleeding Heart is definitely going to be one that's going to stain my lid. So beware of that. But I'll be wearing a mask all day, and the focus is definitely going to be the eyes. So if it pops, which is great. So I'm into it. I'm going to take Wet Jewel and go over top of Bleeding Heart. Here it is. I'm staying to the inner third of the eye at this point. I feel like Wet Jewel and Bleeding Heart were meant to be friends. Take a look. Ooh, ooh. So the pink and the reds, they just kind of gel together. I'm going to take a small brush from Sephora and just take a little bit of High King on my lower lash line here. I'm actually going to dip into Bleeding Heart and put just a little bit on the lowers as well. I just want to tie the whole look together. I have a video coming soon where I'm actually going to go into the tools that you use and specifically some brushes that I've gotten, very, very affordable brushes, but I do feel like the lower lash line is neglected, and that's like a whole part of your face. So you want the whole thing to tie together, and I can't wait to share that upcoming video with you, so stay tuned. I did do a video on the Artiste brushes, which I will link up above, and I gave you my opinions on whether they're worth the price tag, basically. So feel free to check that out if you'd also like to check out a video on tools there. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Maneater eyeliner here and do a quick wing. Be right back. I don't know if you can hear her in the background, but I got a wheezy kitty. I feel like that should just be my like tagline, wheezy kitty or something. So my wing is all done. If you would like some tips and tricks on eyeliner, how to create a wing, how I do it, I do have a video with an eyeliner tutorial on 4 different ways to use eyeliner, so I will link that up above. I'm going in with my Bad Gal Bang Mascara here to finish off this look. Then blush, and we done, peeps. So I don't know about you guys, but when I'm wearing a mask, my makeup gets all over the inside of the mask. So I haven't been doing lipsticks recently, and you know, I'm gonna do a lip liner and hope that it stays, but I'm gonna go with no highlighter today, really just the focus is the eyes, and the focus is the eyes, focus are the eyes, whatever. The intention is for the eye makeup to crush it today. And hopefully all my makeup doesn't rub off on the inside of my mask again. So I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of blush and a lip liner, and we're done. I'm also not going to put mascara on my lower lashes because I've been finding that the mask kind of makes it smear more. So I'm just doing different things these days. I feel like mask makeup is a little bit different than your regular makeup. I'm going to go in with my Hourglass Ambient Glow Lightning Blush Quad here. I'm going to stick more so to this kind of orangey shade right here, just to kind of go with the look I've got. Yes, I always bring my blush up into my hairline. I don't know why, I just feel like it all kind of goes together better. I don't know why I do the things I do. Dusting it right across the nose. Lastly, I'm going in with my Makeup Forever Whatever Walnut lip liner. All right, everyone, that's it for today's look. Thank you so much for tuning in with me to check out the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. I had so much fun getting ready with you today. I hope you're all staying safe, enjoying the summer, and I look forward to seeing you next time. And thanks so much for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, ring the bell, and you'll get notified every single Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. And I post on those days, and hopefully you'll watch them, enjoy them, tell me if you don't like them, tell me if you like them, and what you want to see. So I've also been adding bloopers at the end, so if there are any bloopers from this video, they'll be at the end if you enjoy me looking, you know, a little extra in certain situations. So thanks again, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye! Got some blue on my finger. The focus is the eyes, focus are the eyes, whatever.